Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for the vibes. My name is Jay.
And I am Trent.
If you are not new, welcome back guys. We are here again with another tasty, delicious meal.
Okay, tell the story of this meal right here.
Okay, before I say that, I'm going to say grace because after I tell the story, I'm pretty sure we're going to want to go into it right after. So, we're
No,
going to...
while you're telling the story, I want to go into it.
Alright, so there we go. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, so the story about this, I'm not sure how many people are like this, but we are for sure. It's about to be Easter, right?
Yeah.
And normally people would wait for Easter to have the bun and cheese. That's normal.
For Jamaican, is it only for Jamaican?
No, I think
is it a tradition for Jamaican?
our Caribbean probably.
It's a tradition, right?
Yeah, definitely.
While you're talking, I'm gonna demonstrate how we do this.
Yes, of course, definitely.
Okay.
We have the cheese here, and just watch Babe while she handled it. She gonna handle it. Okay. Usually, you wait until Easter before you have the bun, the cheese, and all of that good stuff. I'm not sure how many people are like this, but we do not wait until Easter. We don't ever wait until Easter. Every year, we do the same thing. Pretty much the same thing every year. A month before,
Jesus.
oh my gosh. A month before Easter is when we will get the bun, and we'll buy it for 2 weeks straight. Bun and cheese, and we just eating, having a good time. Ooh, just indulging in the bun and cheese. Now, it's delicious. It's good. It's awesome.
Mm-hmm. When it's like when you eat two slices together, like you're doing it like a sandwich. You have to eat like another, and another. And another.
Yes. You're gonna.
I'm gonna let my lady eat first.
I think I'm gonna take this.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let my lady eat first.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
Oh, I was telling you guys a story. Oh, my bad.
Another thing. You see how messed up she is? Almost had it. It was right here in my mouth. I'm really hungry. Really, really hungry. I put it right in my mouth. And what did I say? I said, like the gentlewoman that I am, I'm gonna go ahead and let my lady eat first. My lady, knowing that I'm hungry, went ahead and took the sandwich. I'm not complaining.
Neither am I. This is a very delicious sandwich. I don't know what else to tell you. I'm not complaining either. The cheese is fresh. The bun is fresh. Do you want to taste mine?
No, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm making a fantastic meal.
I'm pretty sure you are, because this one is. Okay, so back to the story. No, we eat it and we have a good time during them 2 weeks, and it's usually way before Easter, at least a month before. And then Easter rolls around, and we are not eating a slice, not a snippet, not a nothing.
Shit, we don't even remember that it's in the grocery store.
And then by the time Easter rolls around, the price of it is so expensive, we're just sitting there like, yeah, no, we've had enough.
So what is your preferable drink with it?
I think any juice goes pretty well with this.
Milk is fantastic with it.
Yeah, milk is good if you could tolerate milk. For those who cannot tolerate milk, I think the cheese is already doing enough.
I haven't had this for 1 year.
It's been a year.
It's good, guys. Especially when the bun is soft.
It's been a year since we've had this specific combination of food, right? And they do have different buns that you could have with different flavors and different stuff. But we always tend to stick with the one that we know and the one that we actually like. Because it's a very simple bun.
It's soft.
Very soft. It has raisin, I think. And you know, when I was growing up, I never ate the bun with the raisin. Because I never ate raisin.
But you like it now?
I think I tolerate it.
I saw this going around. I'm curious.
Okay.
If you could be an ice cream, what ice cream would it be?
Vanilla. I'm not fancy. I'm very simple. Very plain. And I think vanilla do come with a little excitement sometimes. What flavor would you be?
Confusion.
I don't think that's a flavor of an ice cream.
I made that flavor up. That
No.
flavor, Jay. I know you was
That's
gonna
not-
say that. You always try to rain on my parade.
That's not a flavor of an ice
Guys,
cream.
if you go in an ice cream shop, mix all the flavor, vanilla, I don't know, all the chocolate, all the flavor, this is what you're gonna get. Confusion.
And also diarrhea. If you think about it, technically, you're gonna get diarrhea too.
Jay.
So you gotta think about the side effects of stuff. You want confusion, but you're not thinking about the side effects you're gonna have from that confusion.
I'm gonna tell you about the short-term effect. I'm
Now
gonna
click on that start.
Oh shit. One. I'm gonna tell you. Hold this one. I'm gonna tell you
Oh, yeah, okay.
about the
I almost ate it.
Yeah, I know you would've. I know you would've.
Okay, go.
The short-term side effect. I'm gonna get Jay right now. I don't know who wanna eat vanilla. You know, vanilla is a regular everyday ice cream. Like you're eating vanilla every day, all the time. We go to the ice cream shop and be like, hey, let me get a vanilla.
Yeah, but you know vanilla is good though, right?
Confusion is the best. Let me tell you, Jay.
It also have you for hours and hours and hours.
I'm gonna tell you, Jay. I'm gonna be, and you're the only person I want to buy me. The thing is, they will run out of this ice cream every day. Tell you for a fact, I know. I'm gonna tell you why. Alright, you wanna cut it in half or leave it
I'm
like
gonna
this?
leave it like that. Cool.
Craving it. I'ma be blasting Jody mouth with a little taste of orgasm.
Whoa.
Who wouldn't want confusion? No, do you want confusion?
No, because I'm still thinking about the bathroom.
Babe said no, I'm good.
I'm still thinking about the bathroom. That's hours. Hey, you gotta think about the side
Let's just
effects.
go to the bathroom with vanilla.
I mean, sometimes it's like touch and go. You're not sure if you're gonna go. It depends on the day. Like if your stomach was already messed up, you know if you have vanilla, you're going to the bathroom. Automatic. But if your stomach's been good, you're like, vanilla, yeah, I'll be alright.
Vanilla, plain old vanilla,
Mm-hmm.
is not gonna give you a blast in your mouth
Mm-hmm.
and a touch of
It can.
guys, you should try this one.
Yeah, it's definitely
if
good.
you never had. Hey, what's that?
Okay. On this table over here, oh, it's the same table, my bad. On the side of the table on to my left, we have a little homemade mixture. And we have some guava pineapple with a touch of Bacardi, a whole lot of Bacardi, and some coconut water. So this is now Babe's new favorite drink.
Yes.
So there she goes.
Ooh, you know, it actually tastes calmer with the coconut water. Have a try.
Oh really?
Mm. It tastes a lot calmer with the coconut water, guys. Look, I could drink this all day.
Oh, it does though,
I could drink this all day.
and it is pretty smooth.
Smooth. Look, see the coconut water?
Yeah, but it is pretty smooth though. I like it.
I love it.
That's not bad. Okay. Bacardi seems to be a nice little drink, depending on how you mix it and what you mix it with. But it seems to be a really, sounds harsh, but it's pretty nice.
Yeah, I like this one better than that yellow one. This is good.
The Mimosa.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you don't call this mimosa?
I mean, we could call it a mimosa. We could call it a coconut guava mimosa.
Woo wee! And baby made that up
Mm-hmm.
right on the spot.
Mm-hmm.
Say it again, it sounds fancy.
Mm-hmm.
When you're saying it, do your hand like this.
Okay.
It seems elegant.
Okay.
Fancy mixed with elegance.
So we have a coconut guava Bacardi mimosa.
This is just what the doctor ordered.
Mm-hmm.
Just what the doctor ordered. Hey, you leaving work, what do you want to drink?
Coconut guava Bacardi mimosa. Okay. Okay, guys, the bun and the cheese was actually really, really good.
Mm-hmm.
Due to the fact that we haven't had it for a year, and that's been a minute. But, and a year, tend to think about it, a year is not that long anymore. Study has proven that the world is spinning faster, so time seems to be going by faster, so a year doesn't really seem like a year anymore. It actually seems like 10 months. Just saying.
Sometimes 6.
Mm-hmm. It depends, so. But we haven't had it in a year, and it was really, really good. That brand, that company has not changed in a year, which is awesome. My belly is really, really pleased.
Mine too. Yeah.
We do thank you for joining us for another delicious meal. It probably didn't seem like a lot, but it was really, really filling.
Mm-hmm.
And it depends on how you cut the slice of your bun, how thick you want it. It could be really, really filling. But it was good, and we do thank you guys for joining us for this lovely meal. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, a wonderful weekend, a beautiful week. And always, thank you guys for sitting with us for another mukbang.
Peace!